Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Before starting my video, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do, and do not forget to turn on notifications as I'm sharing great contents every day for you. Okay, in this video I'm going to teach you the delegates, and I will divide the lessons in two video. The first video is going to be manually created delegates, and we talk about the built-in delegates for the next lesson. Okay, before starting the lesson, I create some data to work with them. So I have a class, worker class. I define some properties and I created some dummy data to work with them. Okay, let's come our program CS file. So what is delegates then? Guys, delegates appoints, let me type here, delegates appoint methods. So what does that mean? To show you, to explain you appointing methods, let's create a method first and work with it. Then we appoint that method via delegates. Okay. Void, let's say promotion. I need my worker class here. Let's bring it workers data actually. Worker data and new workers data. Perfect. So I need a required experience and I need a worker here. All right. Actually, I'm gonna give the all workers data. Let's give all workers data. Workers. Okay. So the thing I'm trying to do is I'm create a method which is going to calculate the experience, required experience and current experience of the workers, and it will give promotion to the workers. Okay, let's create our logic now. We need a for each first. Var worker in workers data dot, I couldn't see the list. Yep, workers. I'm gonna say data is going to be much better. Yeah, data workers, perfect. So if worker dot experience bigger than the required experience, then this worker eligible to get a promotion. Let's say promotion, let's make it uppercase, promotion is granted. Okay. If it's not, promotion is declined. Okay. So the logic is basic. We are given our worker list here. So our for each touch every worker information, and our if else statement check the worker experience with the required experience, and we will able to see who is going to granted for promotion and who is going to be declined. Okay, let's use this method. Okay, I'm gonna put it up. Let's cut this section. Let's put it up. It's my bad. We need to use it here. Okay, so we need our namespace upside. Okay, let's use our promotion. So we need a required experience. Let's see the 5-year experience, and let's give our workers data, dummy data, and see the result. But before that, don't forget to set as a startup project and see the results now. Decline, granted. Okay, let's type the names as well here. Worker dot name. Okay, let's copy this section and paste here. Don't forget to put plus. Let's see again the result. So as you can see, some of workers promotions is declined and the other ones is granted. So let's try to use delegates now. We have a method in our hands now. Let's try to use the delegates. And once we create our delegate, we appoint this method and we're going to call our method via using our delegate. Okay, now I'm going to create a namespace which is for our delegate because delegates must be defined in namespaces. Okay, to create one delegate, we need to assign our access modifier first, and we need to use keyword delegate. Now it's time to return value. I'm going to use void because I'm using console write line to get a result. Now let's give a name for our delegate, promotion delegate. Now it is asking us parameter, and I gave void because my method is void. The most important thing is within the promotion and method and the delegates, you have to use same return value, void, and you have to use same parameters. It doesn't matter what kind of name you give, but you have to give one integer and workers data. Okay, I'm going to use same names as well. Now, once we created our delegates, we can create a new object of these delegates and we can assign our method to it. Okay, now let's create our delegate promotion delegate. We're not able to see it because we didn't add our namespace here. Let's put your cursor on it and press Ctrl dot on your keyboard using delegates. Here we go. And we're able to use our delegate now. After calling your delegate, it is same procedure creating a new object. Okay, let's give a name. I'm going to give promotions. Let's say promotion delegate and new promotion delegate. Once you open your brackets, you will see what kind of parameter you need to add here to create a delegate. And it is asking you give a target. What is your target? Your target is here, guys. As you can see, it is going to be void and the parameters is going to be integer and workers data. Why they are not simply type here method? I'm going to explain in the future, but just keep it in your mind. It is not written here method. It is written here the return type and the parameters, which is pointing a method. Okay, so I'm adding here. I can add here my method name promotion. Oops, promotion. Okay. Now I'm going to finalize my delegate. Now I am able to use my promotion delegate. Let me delete my normal method. I don't need any more. Promotion delegate. Let's open our brackets and it is asking the parameters same as method. So let's give a numbers. Let's give a 6, workers data. And let's see the results now. As you can see, we have same results with the method. So what is the difference then? Why we using delegates? We can use the method, so why we are wasting our time to create that delegate and use it? So it's many ways to using it. But before explaining this question, I'm going to create another promotion method. Let's copy this. And this time, and I'm gonna tell this promotion temporary. Okay. And this time I'm going to change my logic. Workers experience must be bigger than or equal required experience. Okay. So if when I have another um, method, I can create a new promotion delegate, and I can say promotion temporary delegate, new promotion delegate. Oh, sorry, I need to change this. Okay, new promotion delegate, and let's give promotion temporary. Yep, here we go, promotion temporary. So we able to see promotion temporary delegate. Now I'm going to see start with 2-year experience, and I'm going to see it for all workers, but it's going to seem a little bit mixed. I'm going to add a separator at the end of the method to separate them. Now let's see the results. As you can see, we're using same delegate to appoint different results, different methods. So we still have one delegate, but we are appointing different methods. So you can ask me, we can use all these methods separately. Why we using trying to create a new object of delegate and trying to assign it? Why we having this? The thing is, the delegates gives you high capacity to play your results. How it's going to be? Okay, but before that um, capacity, I'm going to show you how can we use our delegates for multi-results. Okay, I'm going to create one more promotion delegate, and I'm gonna give a name all delegates, all promotions, all promotion delegates. And now I can assign my previously created delegate. As you can see, you can use plus um, operator to make them to, how can I say, to assign these two in one delegate. Now I'm going to deactivate those results, and I am going to use all promotion delegates. For example, let's say for and workers data again. So I'm going to see the both methods which is created here, and they are assigned one single delegate, and it helps me to see all of them, to reach them in one delegate, and this is the result. As you can see, this is our result in one delegate. Alright guys, this is how we using manually created delegates and how we able to use them with the single and multi purposes. But before finishing this lesson, I would like to show you um, why we're using exactly the delegates. Okay, let's make command line all of them. I'm not gonna use them all. Now I'm going to create another promotion delegate, and I'm going to give a name new promotion. For example, just consider you are in a new year, you have new promotion requirements, so you need to create a new delegate for it. Okay, new promotion delegate, and there is a two-way to type here, but I'm going to show you the long way, which is going to be much more meaningful because this is your initial start for the delegates. New promotional delegate. Once you open your brackets, what we did previously, we just assigned the previously created methods. But if you remember, I told you it is not written here a method. It is written what our delegate exactly needs. It's a void return and two parameters as a target. So I can assign those um, targets just in here, in these two brackets. To do that, I need to define first the parameters. So the first parameters is going to be require experience, and the second one is going to be workers. By the way, I'm going to disable this my data because I'm going to create it here. And after you give your parameters, you need to explain what you're going to do with those parameters in this delegate. To do that, you need to use lambda expression and open your curly brackets. Now you're telling your delegates, I'm going to give you two parameters as you ask me, and I'm going to use these two um, parameters in the logic located in curly brackets. So now I can add my logic here. Okay, let's use exactly this one. So we need, okay, I'm gonna give it, let me have a look quickly. We remove this data, right? Let me have a look. Okay, we need a workers here. This is a workers data worker. So I'm gonna, if I do that like this, workers no dot workers. Okay, perfect. Now we have exactly our workers data workers. Actually, I can give it name data. Let's say data again. I'm going to keep it same. Okay, so we have two parameters. And so how I get this data, how my promotion delegate knows data is workers data and required experience is integer, because we assign is here. Required experience is going to be integer, and the other parameter is going to be workers data. So they are assigned automatically here. So I'm able to use those parameters to create my logic. Perfect. And the quick way to do this, you can delete this new promotion delegate. It doesn't necessary actually, but to do understand first, you can go through with the long way. Okay, now let's close our promotion delegate. Now it's created. Let's have a look. New promotion delegate, and it is asking us a require experience, which is going to be, let's say, 3, and we need a workers data. I if you remember, I deactivate this. Now, can I? Okay, let's activate it again. And I'm going to add here workers data. Perfect. Now let's see the result. As you can see, we have result. Let's do a check. The 3, 1, 2, 3 is declined and the rest of them is granted. Alright, this is how delegates helps us to create instant method once we need. So what if you would like to make it multi-use? It's really easy, guys. You can appoint directly. For example, you create your method here, right? Okay, let's continue a new method. Promotion. Yeah, this is my another method. And it is asking a required experience, which is here, and data here. I'm gonna give same data, or you can give required experience +1, and you can see the results. You can play every type of variant that you need in this delegates. Let's see the result now. As you can see, this is the first we create manually, which has no name. We say this method anonymous, and this is our previously created method. Okay. Let me have a look at my notes. Is there anything should I tell you? Manually created delegates. Delete this one. I guess we create wrongly. Okay, I'm going to finish this lesson here. It's already 22 minutes. Next lesson will going to be about built-in delegates. Let's commit our changes. Manually created delegates. Alright, we are in development. Let's commit all. Save and commit. Let's go to manage branches. Switch to the main. Right click on dev and merge. Perfect. Okay. Thanks for watching my video, guys. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to drop comments below the video. And if you like the video, I will be really appreciated. It really motivates me to create new contents. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. See you on next lesson.